Cabbage Detox Diet. It is only recently that people have actually paid particular attention to the need for detoxification. Although the concept has been around for years, it has been unceremoniously taken the back seat for what people deem to be more important. However, nowadays people have developed keen interest in detoxification. Mainly people are now faced with a more pressing and urgent need for it. With the large number of harmful toxin and free radicals we unwittingly expose ourselves to every single day, we have a steady buildup of toxic wastes in our body. Such toxic products are in the air and water, food products that we eat, and even in some of the medications that we take daily. A rather alarming thought, right? This is why, now more than ever, every single person should integrate regular detoxifications in their lifestyle. The Cabbage Detox Diet is one of the most unprecedented detox diet programs introduced today. The cabbage has beneficial properties that are said to prevent cancer, among other known diseases. Cabbage Detox Diet normally has a 7-day duration, or a full week of eating mainly cabbage combined with other ingredients that will produce a soup-like consistency. This does not only flush harmful toxins, but also an effectively way to lose weight. However, the downside of the Cabbage Detox Diet is that it can prove to be a sheer nightmare for someone who is used to eating highly seasoned foods. Cabbage soup may be too bland for most people, and some have complained with the boring monotony of eating cabbages for a week. The Cabbage Detox Diet also does not have much nutritional content, unlike other diet programs out there, and contains large amount of salt that you would probably prepare. It is advisable to keep in mind that the Cabbage Detox Diet is not for a long-term application. This is mainly because it is not sufficient enough to meet the required dietary allowance for an average individual. So if you want to detoxify, you can do it on a quarterly basis, or whenever you feel the need to. There are some other healthier alternatives for detoxification, such as eating raw vegetables and organic fruits. The basic concept of detoxification is helping your body get rid of the accumulated toxic waste in your system. So it would be best to keep away food products that contains an extraordinary amount of toxins such as animal meat, starchy vegetables, refined sugar, caffeine and nicotine, dairy products, and bread. This way you can potentially prevent the buildup and lessen the need to detoxify.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.